Listen to what a few of them have to say.
I feel like I'm getting my work done a lot faster than I used to. Reading now, it's just come easier and not as hard, because I would just be like stuck on a word for a little while, and then now I just read faster. It's easier. Well, it's a lot better because I used to have a lot of struggles in like my reading and writing and spelling, and now it's just coming to me. I'm not stressing over all my academics, trying to figure out, oh, those kids are smarter than me, I need to start picking up my level. And now I'm just at a regular level and I don't need to try and impress anyone.
I've been doing the Learning Breakthrough program for about 4 years. It's helped me by like surfing and my balance on my board and skateboarding and eye tracking. When I'm like reading, it helped me like not lose my place anymore and stuff like that. I don't stutter anymore and I can keep my place. I had trouble focusing, but now I focus a lot better because it's like helped me with my focusing on teachers and stuff. Try it, and if you don't like it, keep doing it because it's fun and it helps a lot.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Calloway. I'm a reading specialist at Croft Middle School. I am honored to tell you about a very exciting program called Learning Breakthrough that has helped a lot of boys and girls that I've come in contact with. When my son was 4 years old, he was diagnosed with severe language delay at Vanderbilt University. After spending thousands and thousands of dollars in a very good speech program, we were looking for something and stumbled onto the Learning Breakthrough program, and the first night that my son came home, he read, and I could not believe it. This was a child who had 6 sounds for TH. His homework was that he was supposed to read out loud, and that was very painful. My husband was flipping burgers, and I was in the kitchen, and my son read with fluency. And my husband dropped the spatula and said, "Call the relatives, he's reading." And I said, "No way, I'm going to call that woman and find out what she did to him." And I did, and her answer was the Learning Breakthrough program. It was really quite remarkable because I was trained to test, and I was also guilt-ridden because I was supposed to know what to do. And I researched and tried different things, and luckily found that program. My son went from severe language delay, one end of the spectrum, to scoring 145 on oral language, and that blew me away. I am proud to say has just completed 7th grade. They said he'd never go to a regular classroom. He did. Not only did he do that, he's made straight A's, and 99th percentile in reading strategies this past year, which is not bad at all. And so we're really lucky that we found it. And I always tell him, because of you, we've been able to share it, because it is my profession, with a lot of other boys and girls that their lives have been changed through this incredible program. I've seen kids with severe anger, severe emotional problems, suicidal tendencies, and put them on the board and let that take care of itself. And they made enough progress that they were able to go back into the classroom and do well. Some kids, it's handwriting, or it's spelling, or it's math, or whatever it is. It seems that when you work with this program, you might be focusing on math, but you look over here and the reading scores have gone up. So really, it's just a win-win situation, and you have to ask yourself, you know, I know as a parent who was supposed to know what to do, because that's my business, I didn't know, and was very lucky to find the program. And as a parent, I had to say, do I have 10 to 15 minutes a day to provide that space for my son to do this program? It is well worth looking into as a parent, as a teacher, parents who of these kids who are searching for something have probably looked at all kinds of things and listened to all kinds of well-meaning people. I don't want to just know, you know, what's wrong, which is also valuable. I want to know how to fix it, and this is the best thing that I've ever come across.
Because I have worked with the Learning Breakthrough Program for, I'm afraid, about 20 years or 25 years somewhat, and seen remarkable results with this program, and really wish that more people would be aware of it and use it. I've seen many students privately in my tutoring and also in the school situation benefit greatly from using the Learning Breakthrough Program, yes. I see a definite increase in their eye tracking skills, which increases their fluency, which then increases their comprehension. I've used it, like I said, privately, and worked with a boy who started out at a 5th grade reading level and was entering freshman. He was entering freshman, 9th grade, and he passed his FCATs when that year. And so I think that this had a lot to do with his success. And the children that I work with now, we do eye tracking. We're not really, they're emergent readers. So we work on sequencing the alphabet in their eye tracking. And we showed them the success they would have with the Learning Breakthrough Program, because we timed their eye tracking before doing the program, and it was between 3 and 4 minutes in time. And then after they did the program, they cut their time in half. And so they were astonished, and they became believers themselves that this was doing something for them.